my name's Kelly Ledane, and I lead our website experience teams. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some of our latest tool enhancements, all around how you add pre-built content with actionable insights to your site. Let's get started. We know that adding content is important, and that adding relevant content that resonates with shoppers is even more paramount. We know this because we have built thousands of sites for our customers and combed through countless pieces of data. Our latest platform upgrades have been made simply to make things easier and smarter for those that choose our products time and time again. It's kind of our way to say thank you. All right, so here's what we've got. We offer you bold and evolving tech that changes with the times. With our live preview feature, you can see not only how the content looks on your site, but if it will work for your business. If it does, just add it. If it doesn't, well, then find another piece. We enable you to build fast. Using our pre-built, highly curated content, you can build a page within seconds. And our data insights are intuitive, super easy to find, easy to use, and easy to understand, because we know all of those things matter. Our trending insights show you the pieces of content that have been added the most in the last 30 days by users just like yourself. And our shopper favorite insight is defined simply by pieces of content that are clicked on the most by shoppers within our entire platform. So using this feature, you know that you can find content that is actually resonating with shoppers online, and they're clicking it more frequently than they are other pieces of content. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this platform enhancement. And if you like what you've seen, well, just wait. Phase 2 of this project will be coming to all of our customers in 2023. And lastly, I'd be remiss if I didn't thank everyone involved for making this product a reality. And thanks everybody for watching.